Do you have a floor that feels uneven or shows signs of sagging? Bisson Expert helps owners restore structural integrity by reinforcing or replacing the load-bearing system, improving comfort and long-term durability. We start with an on-site assessment of the structure. Common findings include a weakened main beam or settling columns, which can cause the beam and floor joists to deflect at midspan and create an uneven floor. Before any work begins, temporary steel support posts are installed to safely transfer loads and keep the area secure during the intervention. The existing beam and columns are removed in sections. A new beam is installed in sections and securely anchored into the foundation wall. Reinforced concrete footings and steel columns are installed to provide stable support. Using an adjustable post system, the structure can be raised gradually and in a controlled manner to improve the floor level. Once the structure is stabilized, the temporary supports are removed. If needed, we reinforce the joists by sistering them on both sides to increase stability and improve load distribution. Result: a safer, more stable structure. Bisson Expert. Structural solutions you can rely on.